Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today I've come up with a very simple and easy recipe that is thin rice cake. In the previous video I had shared tea time sponge cake, but here I am going to make the cake with rice flour. You don't need an oven, hand mixers, baking powder or soda for making this recipe. It is a melt-in-mouth recipe and an authentic dish of God's own country, Kerala. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the recipe. I need very few ingredients for this. First, I'm going to take 1 cup of rice flour. This is roasted rice flour and I've also strained it to ensure that there are no lumps. So in total there were 10 tablespoons, that is 1 cup is equal to 10 tablespoons of rice flour. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. For 1 cup of rice flour, 2 cups of coconut milk. This is freshly extracted coconut milk. If you do not have time, you can also use the instant coconut milk powders available in the market. Add milk little by little, do not add it together because the batter might turn watery. This is a tea time recipe and it is also made on special occasions where they are served for guests. Once you've finished mixing the rice flour and coconut milk, let's add sugar. Here I am adding 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness as per your requirement. Why I said this recipe is simple because it does not require any resting time or fermentation or any leavening agents are added. Once the sugar dissolves, add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Powder few cardamom pods along with sugar and keep it in an airtight container inside your fridge. This will be handy for such quick recipes. Next, half teaspoon of powdered ginger and cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Mix everything well. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. So now you can see the consistency of this batter. It is neither thick nor too thin. So let's keep the batter aside and prepare the steamer. I've poured in some water and switched on the stove. Now let's keep the steamer plate on top of it. To steam cook the cake, I am taking a cake tin. Grease the cake tin with some oil. Mix and pour in the batter into this cake tin. So I've used almost 6 to 7 ladles of this batter. With this measurement you can make 2 rice cakes. So our steamer is ready and the steam has started arising. Let's keep this cake tin inside the steamer and steam cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been almost 15 minutes and I had kept it aside for 10 minutes to cool down. Now gently move a knife along the edges of this rice cake. Now let's demold this rice cake and see how it has turned out. So I've transferred them onto a serving plate. You can see that it has become thin, nice and soft. It is a melt-in-mouth recipe. Do try this out and share your feedback in the comment section below. Please do subscribe for more such simple, quick, easy and instant recipes. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.